This I will make over $15,000 just today trading a new listed token on Mexc. If you pay attention to my screen here, you're going to notice this token that was launched yesterday, and this is our chart, right? And this particular opportunity here, I first get in with about $200 and we came out with about $1,055. Then the second time we get in with about $2,000. All right, coming out with about $14,491 profit, and this takes us only about 30 minutes to achieve this. And this is the chart. If you pay attention to the chart here, let's see the chart. Let's check the chart here perfectly. This is the chart, and this was when we get in. You can see the signal here, the trade history, which when we go sell, all right, and this was when we close out. Yeah, this was when we close out. Come on, this was when we close out. This is when we close out on buy, resulting on about $17,000. That means we turned from just $2,200 to over $17,000. The question is, why did we sell? Because a lot of people buy new listed token, and why are we doing the opposite, right? Why you expecting to buy a new listed token? What are we doing? We are expecting to sell. And here is the result. When I posted this opportunity yesterday, a lot of people chatted me up, said, come on, no, why do you want to go short? Please don't go short. I tell them, don't worry, just wait and see what's going to be the result. Let's quickly go to our channel to see when we updated everybody. This was when the opportunity was out yesterday. This was when the opportunity is out yesterday. Okay, let's pay attention to this. I announced this on our channel, right? Another big opportunity again. Slim USDT is launching in just 4 hours with 1% of the total supply given out in an airdrop. We are expecting major sell pressure at launch, setting up a perfect shorting opportunity. I announced this perfectly, and this was when the token was on countdown 4 hours, right? This was when the token was on countdown, and I also make a video, right? I also make a video.
Yeah,
let's listen to the video.
Something big this morning. A new token is about to be launched on Mexc in 3 hours 47 minutes on Slim USDT, right? It's going to launch on private features. There's pay attention here. You're going to see it only remain about 3 hours 87 minutes, and we are expecting to go short.
And then this what happened after some hours when the token was launched. Boom, we go short, and then we announce it, and we tell everybody, check your chart, and here we go. This was how I was able to come up with over $15,000, a total of $15,000 on just one opportunity yesterday. Let's go back to our chart again. Let's go back to our chart to see. Let's go back to our chart. If you pay attention here, you notice even to today the coin is still pumping down. This is the coin here, it's still pumping down till today. It's still pumping down till today. And what was the major reason? Then the question is, why did we go short, right? If you go back to our Telegram channel, we make an announcement here that the coin is launching in 4 hours. We also mentioned that they offer an airdrops, right? This token offer an airdrop to their community members, right? So what are we expecting anytime you see any new listed token that offer airdrops? I would say this is based on our own strategy, our own understanding in the crypto market. I'll call it a free money. I'll call it a free money. Anytime you see any tokens that offer airdrops to people, I see it as a risk-free way of making money. Just like when they launch Pi, right? What do? I go short and I make more than $10,000 on just one opportunity, just PI alone in a few minutes. So what happens, and why did any token that offer a drop go down? The number one reason is because the majority of the people they allocate these airdrops to, when the token is launched, all of them that are busy selling out just to make some money, right? And at the same time, before any coin is listed on exchange, they must allocate some tokens of the coins to the exchange, right? And what did they do with this fund? They share it to the people that stake on their pools. And what happens when they allocate these tokens to them? Immediately the token is launched, what do? They're busy selling out their tokens, and this is affecting the project. Despite the fact that the coins might still have potential to go up, but I can tell you boldly, 99% of all the time it must go down first. So this is one of the main reasons why we decide to go short anytime there is an opportunity. And after we do our analysis, we notice that anytime we notice that they offer an airdrop, we get side and make sure we go short. And the crazy part of this is that I can tell you boldly, for the past 1 month, I've not lost a single trade in days. And then on this other video here, I explain why you can still lose funds despite the fact that the market is still going to go your direction, right? Which is trading with leverage. And bear well, if you're trading with our strategy, if you're focusing on this, you want to trade with us every day or anytime the opportunity is out, do not recommend you using leverage. Fund your account if you want to make big money. You see, for example, here, I used over $2,000 to make $14,000. That's a reasonable return, Yeah. So if you're new on this, let's go to our Mexc to see how to know when a new listed token is about to be launched, right? In order for you to start doing your research, I will always, advise stay tuned on our Telegram channel, because anytime a new listed token is about to be launched, as long as they provide countdown, we must update everybody with our own analysis. The question is, how do you know when a new listed token is about to be launched, right? The first thing you need to do is to set up your Mexc account. After setting up on your Mexc, if you don't have a Mexc account, please check the video description. There's a link to open your Mexc account. Kindly use my referral link. Open your account. After you open your account, verification is not needed. You can start trading, reduce your profit without any verification. This is the beauty part of this exchange, right? Then you come over to, anytime you log in your account, what you need to do is to come over to home. Then you're going to see this option features, right? You come over to USDT M features, right? This is where we are trading. Come over to this point, let allow it to load. Network is a bit slow. Let allow it to load. Okay, good and fine. This is the pair I traded yesterday. Then what you're going to do is to come over to this search icon here, this point here. The next step is to come over to this point here, to come over to this search point here. And when you click on this search point, you're going to see a drop down here. Then you're going to see newly listing, right? You click on it, and these are some of the token that was launched today, right? That's launched today. But this particular one here, they did not provide countdown, you understand? And for you to benefit from this, you got to turn off your notification when you download their mobile app. Make sure you turn off your notification, because immediately they launch this token, they will definitely send you notification. It's not all the tokens they provide countdown, but the one that we share to everybody is the one they provide countdown. This particular one here is you trade it by yourself, and most of these, they don't really provide much data, right? So I don't really go in with high risks here. What we wait for a valid opportunity, the one that have a countdown, which give us time to analyze the market perfectly, right? So if you come over here, you're going to see this. Let me zoom this out so you see it clearly. Let's zoom this out. So let's repeat this option again. How do you know when a new listed token is about to be launched? Is to come over to the search engine here, this search bar here. Then you're gonna, when your network is okay, you're gonna see this option, newly listing, right? And anytime there is a new listed token, it's gonna show here, right? They're gonna show, and they will show a countdown, right? And if we pay attention to these are the tokens that was launched just today, and all of them, they're all down. If we check the chart, like for example, if we check this one here, if we check this token here, if we check this token, they launched this token a few I think close our position. Are you sure you want to close? Cancel. If you check this token here, they launched it this morning, right? And they launched this token this morning, and it's already pumping down. If you also check this one again, let's see the one that they launched again today. This other one here, they still launched this token again today, right? I did not really have much time to trade. Notice the token pull down. You can see what's happening, right? The token pull down and it's going back down. That is certain. It's going back down. If you check it again, if you check this one again, they launched this one yesterday. Let's see what's happening. If it's already down, and I don't think there's any possibility of this token going down again today. So that means, assuming you stay active, you could have make money here, make money here. Let's check this one again, right? Let's see this one again. Wow. So it means, assuming you stay active on this particular opportunity, by now you could have still be reading on the profit. This one, there's not even a possibility of going down again. Pumping up again. I doubt in the next 1 week. Let's also check this one again. This was the one we traded yesterday, right? This is the one that I took high risk yesterday. There's no possibility of the, assuming I'm even still on this position till today, I could have still be making money till today. There's no possibility of this token even going back up again today, right? There's no possibility. So let's check this again. I traded this particular one too. If you check this, it's still down. And what's certain here, it's still down, man. It's still down, right? So let's check this again. It's still down. Let's check this again. This is free money. I'll call this a free money, and it's an opportunity for you to see this. It's an opportunity for you to hear about it. Just imagine, let's do a short calculation, right? Let's imagine since this week started, or since last week, you were on this trade, good profit, because all this token is going down. Why? Because before they allow them to list these tokens on any exchange, right, they must allocate some tokens to the exchange, right? And what did the exchange do with the fund? They share it to people that contribute on their polls, right? And immediately these tokens lost, most of them, right, sell out. Despite the fact that some of these tokens might pump up, you might wake up and see this token, up. You understand? But when that token is launched, right, even though you don't have any strategy, you don't do any analysis, just anytime the token is launched, just come over to your future market, right? The only thing that's going to make you to lose money if you are going for leverage. I do not recommend using the leverage to do this. This is the fastest way to blow money here. Despite the fact that the trade going to still go your direction, but you're still going to lose if you are using leverage. I don't longer trade with leverage. Fund your account. If you want to make a big amount of money, fund your money. And I don't recommend risking up to 50%. I only risk 5 to 10%. If it's a risk-free trading I want to go for, right, I only risk like 5, 10%. If, like example yesterday, the opportunity is very sure, because the analysis was very accurate, and that was why I go in with everything, and it was what I can afford to lose. Yeah, please kindly pay attention to this. This is not a financial advice. Always do your own analysis before investing on anything that have to do with crypto trading. So this is how simple it is to trade on your Mexc, to find a new listed tokens, and how to execute your position perfectly, and the reason behind we selling every new listed project. So if you want to join us on this movement, kindly check the description, join our Telegram channel, just my referral link, open your account and stay tuned. Anytime there's opportunity, man. I would also tell you, a lot of people ask me, why do you stop trading forex? I don't stop trading forex, but why I limit my activity on the forex market is that the opportunity here in the crypto space is nothing compared to the forex market. The truth is that you can truly trade this crypto market without exposing yourself to a high risk. And I can tell you boldly, there is possibility of you making money on crypto market month to month without losing, and at the same time our our crypto robot is there, and it's performing extremely well every trading day. So if you want to trade with a crypto board, if you don't have time to be doing this by yourself, you want a robot to do everything for you, I will be more than happy to put you through. Check the video description. You're going to see my WhatsApp number. Reach out to us on WhatsApp. Let's make some money together. Please, if you like what I do, exposing this amazing opportunity to you, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Share it with your friend. Learn this with your friends, right? And at the same time, drop a comment right now. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and I'm hoping to see you on my next video. Yeah, I remember your friend, a candy trader. Yeah, bye for now.